Hey Animagic Hub enthusiasts! Today we're starting with the classic 2D animation. This timeless style, born out of the simple joy of sketching, has evolved into a powerful storytelling medium that transcends age and culture. It's the magic of transforming hand-drawn sketches into moving masterpieces, sparking the dawn of Disney classics and Saturday morning cartoons. From the birth of Mickey Mouse to the adventures of the modern-day Simpsons, 2D animation has come a long way. It's the heart of many childhood memories, filled with characters that burst into song, take us on emotional roller coasters, and whisk us away into whimsical wonderlands. The charm of 2D animation lies in its simplicity and the depth of emotion it can convey. It's more than just moving pictures. It's the art of breathing life into lines and shapes, crafting stories that tug at our heartstrings and ignite our imaginations. So next time you watch a 2D animation, remember the magic that brings those sketches to life. Now, let's enter the third dimension, 3D animation. This is where our favorite characters like Buzz Lightyear and Woody take us beyond the flat screen into a world of depth and texture. 3D animation is the art of making objects and characters look as if they exist in 3 dimensions, creating an engaging and realistic viewing experience. It's like stepping into another world where you can almost reach out and touch the characters. The advent of 3D animation has revolutionized the animation industry. It has opened up new possibilities for storytelling, allowing for more complex and dynamic narratives. Whether it's the intricate details of a character's face, the grandeur of vast landscapes, or the subtle movements that make a character seem real, 3D animation brings it all to life. And it's not just about visual spectacle. 3D animation also allows for more nuanced character development, with facial expressions and body language that can match the performances of live-action actors. The next time you watch a 3D animated movie, appreciate the depth, textures, and immersive experience it offers. Now, let's slow things down a bit with stop-motion animation. This unique style is the epitome of patience and precision, requiring meticulous attention to detail. Imagine creating a world, one frame at a time, where each movement is a separate snapshot. Every gesture, every blink, every breath is carefully crafted, resulting in a seamless flow of action. It's like a symphony of still images, coming together to create a vibrant dance of motion. This painstaking process is what gives stop motion its unique charm. It's tangible, it's real, and it's right there in front of you. You can almost reach out and touch the characters, feel the textures, and immerse yourself in the world that's been intricately constructed. The magic of stop motion lies in its simplicity and complexity, all intertwined. It's an art form that requires nothing but the simplest of tools, and yet it demands the utmost dedication and skill. So the next time you watch a stop motion animation, remember the frame-by-frame labor of love that brings it to life. Now let's embark on an anime odyssey. We're journeying into the dynamic world of Japanese animation anime. With its roots deeply embedded in the rich tapestry of Japanese culture, anime is a vibrant blend of art, storytelling, and emotion. It's not just about exaggerated expressions or intense action sequences. It's about painting a vivid picture of a world that's both fantastical and relatable. Anime is like a window into the collective imagination of a culture, and it's no wonder it's captured the hearts of viewers across the globe. From the breathtaking landscapes of Studio Ghibli to the high-octane battles of Dragon Ball Z, anime offers a unique flair that sets it apart in the world of animation. It's a cultural exchange, but animated. So the next time you watch an anime, appreciate the cultural exchange and the intense emotions it portrays.